Health benefits of psyllium husk powder. In light of its recent popularity, many people ask questions regarding the health benefits of psyllium husk powder. To make things simple, we've put together a list of benefits that psyllium powder provides. Psyllium husk has a strong water-holding capacity and forms a viscous gel by absorbing water. When it absorbs liquid in the intestinal tract, it swells and stimulates bowel movements. Doctors have found it to relieve constipation, treat ulcerative colitis, and help maintain regularity. Since psyllium is prebiotic, it allows the growth of good bacteria in the gut that results in a stronger immune system. More soluble fibers mean lesser risks of heart diseases. This is because soluble fibers lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve blood pressure levels for obese patients. Psyllium husk can increase HDL cholesterol while decreasing triglycerides. It also strengthens the heart muscles and keeps lipid levels in check. For type 2 diabetes patients, psyllium husk powder can help reduce sugar levels and insulin after meals. Researchers have shown that after multiple weeks of intake, the concentration of fasting blood glucose and glycated hemoglobin improved a lot. Psyllium husk helps to control appetite by increasing a feeling of fullness. So, if you're looking to lose weight and reduce your BMI while not fighting hunger, psyllium husk powder is your solution. When on a diet, giving up foods like pizza, cakes, and crepes can seem like torture. But psyllium can help recreate gluten-free and keto-friendly versions of those recipes. If used in baking, psyllium retains moisture in the bread and gives it a light texture. It also makes the dough more elastic and makes it easier to roll out. Some recipes that use psyllium powder include psyllium flatbread, coconut flour psyllium husk bread, keto pancakes, etc. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.